Ever been stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery? It's a frustrating experience, but fear not. Today, we're diving into the world of jump starters, and specifically, the powerful 3000A jump starter. This little device could be your lifesaver. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget for every car owner, the jump starter 3000A. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or just commuting to work, this little device could be a real lifesaver. Let's take a closer look at why you need one in your toolkit. What is a jump starter? First things first, what exactly is a jump starter? A jump starter is a portable device that provides the necessary power to start a car with a dead battery. The jump starter 3000A stands out with its incredible capability, allowing you to jumpstart gas engines up to 7.0 liters and diesel engines up to 5.5 liters. That's pretty impressive for such a compact device. Visuals of the jump starter 3000A being used on different vehicles, showcasing various scenarios, like a truck, a sedan, and an SUV. Key features. Now let's break down some of the standout features of the jump starter 3000A that make it a top choice for drivers. Power output. With a peak current of 3000 amps, this jump starter is designed to handle a wide variety of vehicles, from small cars to larger trucks. You won't be left stranded with a dead battery. Battery capacity. Equipped with a robust 22500 mAh lithium battery, the jump starter 3000A provides you with multiple jump starts on a single charge, up to 50 jumps. Perfect for those of us who might need it multiple times in one trip. Smart technology. Safety is key. The smart clamps feature reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and overcurrent protection, which means you can use it with confidence. LED flashlight. It comes with a built-in LED flashlight that has 3 modes: steady, SOS, and strobe. This can be a lifesaver in emergencies, especially if you find yourself in a dark situation. USB ports. The device includes 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your phones, tablets, and other devices while on the go. No more worrying about dead batteries for your gadgets. Compact design. Despite its power, the jump starter 3000A is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in your glove compartment or even carry in your backpack. How to use it. Using the jump starter 3000A is incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. Preparing. First, make sure the jump starter is fully charged. You can easily check the battery indicator on the device. Connecting. Next, attach the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the black clamp to a grounded metal part of the car. This prevents any potential sparks. Starting the car, turn on the jump starter and attempt to start your vehicle. If it doesn't start right away, give it a minute and try again. Sometimes a little patience goes a long way. Disconnecting. Once your car is running, carefully disconnect the clamps in reverse order. Black first, then red. Store your jump starter safely back in your vehicle. Benefits of using a jump starter. So why should you invest in a jump starter like the 3000A? Let's break down the benefits. So there you have it, folks. The jump starter 3000A is a powerful, versatile tool that can save you from a lot of headaches on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Have you ever used a jump starter? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe and prepared on the road.